Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TFV Academy. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence decides who gets a job, who gets promoted, or who deserves a raise. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it is already happening. Companies today use AI systems to scan resumes, track employee performance, and even predict who might leave the company next. But here is the problem. What if that same AI unknowingly favors men over women, or rejects applicants from certain regions, or gives lower scores to people with different communication styles? That is not just a glitch, that is bias. And it is a growing concern in HR technology. This is exactly where ISO 30415-2021, the global standard on diversity and inclusion, becomes crucial. It helps organizations ensure fairness and equality, not just among people, but also within the algorithms that define their lives. In this video, we will explore how ISO 30415 can guide us to build fair, ethical, and human-centered AI systems in HR. Now, what is ISO 30415 and why it matters? Before we jump into AI, let's first understand what ISO 30415 is. It is an international standard that helps companies create workplaces where everyone is respected, included, and given equal opportunity. It is not just about having more diverse people. It is about making sure policies, decisions, and systems treat everyone fairly, regardless of gender, age, background, or ability. Now, as companies use more AI in hiring and HR, ISO 30415 has become even more important. It offers a human values framework to make sure our technology supports inclusion, not discrimination. Now, the big challenge: bias in AI systems. AI systems learn from data, and data, as we know, comes from human history, which means it can reflect human bias. For example, if a company's past hiring data mostly includes male candidates, then an AI trained on that data might learn to prefer men for future roles. Or a facial recognition system might struggle to read darker skin tones accurately because of unbalanced training data. These systems might appear objective, but they can create unfair and discriminatory outcomes. In HR, this can lead to biased hiring, unfair promotions, or performance assessments that disadvantage entire groups of people. That is why AI ethics, the idea that technology should be fair, transparent, and accountable, is becoming a global priority. Now, how to build fair HR tech systems, step by step. Let's make this practical. Here is how an organization can use ISO 30415 to build ethical AI systems in HR. Leadership commitment. It starts at the top. Leaders must publicly commit to responsible AI use and define clear principles like fairness, transparency, and accountability. When leadership sets the tone, ethical behavior follows. Diverse design teams. AI systems reflect the people who build them. So the design teams must include individuals from diverse genders, backgrounds, and experiences. Diversity in development means fewer blind spots and better, more inclusive algorithms. Ethical data collection. Data is the brain of AI, but if the brain learns from biased data, it will think in biased ways. Collect data that represents all groups equally and continuously review it for imbalances. Correcting bias early is the key to fairness later. Algorithmic transparency. Make sure AI decisions can be explained. HR professionals should always understand why a candidate was shortlisted or rejected. If you can't explain a decision, you can't justify it. Human oversight. Keep humans in control. AI should assist, not replace. Human judgment. A human-in-the-loop system ensures that people remain responsible for final decisions. Regular bias audits. Such as companies audit finances, they should audit their AI systems for bias and fairness. This keeps technology aligned with ISO 30415 principles and ensures long-term trust. Clear communication. Finally, communicate with employees about how AI is being used in HR. Transparency builds trust, and trust builds inclusion. Now, the future. Human values in a digital world. The future of HR is digital. There is no denying that. But the heart of HR must always remain human. As AI tools become smarter, ISO 30415s help organizations balance technology with empathy. It reminds us that AI should help people grow, not replace or judge them unfairly. Tomorrow's HR systems will use AI to find hidden talent, support inclusion, and even detect workplace bias before it happens. That is the future we should be building, one where technology understands fairness. So now when technology serves humanity, so what is the takeaway? AI is powerful, but power without ethics is dangerous. By combining ISO 30415 and AI ethics, we can build systems that are fair, transparent, and truly human-centered. The goal isn't to make machines perfect, it is to make them just and inclusive. Because when people trust the system succeeds. And that is the real future of HR. One that uses technology not to divide, but to unite. Thanks for watching this detailed session on ISO 30415 and the role of AI. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.